In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, hello everybody, how are you doing? We'll be doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm your IELTS mentor, IELTS trainer. Additionally, we're also teaching the students of spoken English for the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute, Lahore. Dear friends, we are also professional student visa consultants. We accept your applications for UK, Australia, Canada, America, and across Europe. Lots of success stories can be found on our YouTube channel, Genius Institute Lahore. We are offering online classes and offline classes, on-campus classes. If you're interested in any one of them, you can contact our number given in the description, but you can only WhatsApp us. Dear friends, my today's lecture would be about IELTS Writing Task 2. I'm going to give you some simple questions of a particular question type known as advantages and disadvantages question type. So I'm going to give you 6 simple questions and you're going to write down the answer to all these questions later on, and you will get it checked by some IELTS teacher or trainer later on. My dear friends, my detailed video on IELTS advantages and disadvantages essay is already published on YouTube. The duration of the video is 34 minutes 35 seconds. So you can benefit from it and you can understand the basics of IELTS advantages and disadvantages essay. And there are 3 basic sub kinds of this essay in which there is a description. Words are describe the advantages and disadvantages. And the second one is what the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. And number 3, describe the advantages and disadvantages and give your opinion as well. So these are 3 different types, subtypes of advantages and disadvantages essays. I have given the fundamental blocks of all these 3 types, and I have also given you the fundamental blocks along with the structure, sentence by sentence structure. It's highly recommended before attempting these questions. Dear friends, my today's video, as I told you about, would be about IELTS Writing Task 2. I'm going to give you some sample questions, and these questions have appeared in IELTS Writing Task 2 in 2020. So it's a good idea to benefit from these, and you better just write down the answer to these questions and get them checked by some IELTS trainer. As I've told you early on, it will be very helpful for you for preparation of your part 2 or the task 2 of IELTS writing module. So my first question will be like this. It is becoming increasingly popular to have a year off between finishing school and going to university. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this? So these instruction words after the question description are highly important, because these instruction words let you know about the action words. You have to describe or to give advantages and disadvantages. Remember, in all question types, instruction words are of high significance. The question 2 would be like this. Some people think that it would be better for large companies and industry to move to regional areas outside large urban centers. So do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Question number 3. With the rise of e-books comes the decline in popular books, popular paper books. Some people see this as a good step forward, while others do not. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this trend? Number 4, the rise of convenience foods have helped people to keep up with the speed of the modern lifestyle. What are the advantages of this trend? And do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Question number 5. Space exploration costs taxpayers an exorbitant amount of money each year. What are the advantages and disadvantages of spending money on space exploration, and give your opinion. The last, many elderly people are no longer looked after by their families but are put in care homes or nursing homes. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this trend, and give your opinion. So there are 3 subtypes. What are those? In which the instruction words are like this after the question description. What are the advantages and disadvantages? Number 2, do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? And number 3, what are the advantages and disadvantages, and give your opinion. So these are 3 kinds of advantages and disadvantages essays. In my detailed lecture, I have uploaded on YouTube channel Genius Institute Lahore. If you happen to write down just IELTS advantages and disadvantages essays by Sir NA Saqib, you'll get it. So you better just benefit from that huge lecture, and at the same time also keep practicing these questions. These are the samples taken directly from 2020 papers. So stay blessed. I hope to see you soon with another uploaded video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.